الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again today. Today we're going to make cauliflower stir fry. Okay, so here we have all the stuff for the stir fry. So we have here a fresh cauliflower. The spices we have here is salt, chili powder, that's haldi powder, which is turmeric powder, and that's crushed coriander, and this is cumin seeds. That's onions, tomatoes. We soaked it in hot water and took the skin off, and that's potatoes. This is fresh coriander, and here is the ginger and garlic, fresh. Okay, so we'll begin by cutting out all the stems. Okay, so what we're going to do is we don't want to cut it like that. So we want to do is separate each cluster or each flower like so. This is what you want to do. You don't want to cut it with a knife. And these baby leaves, these are okay to cook in as well. Okay, so this is what you will end up with, and that's the baby leaves. Okay, so we add the onions to the oil first. Okay, so we wash the cauliflower. So we add the tomatoes. I forgot to put the ginger. That should have gone in first. The garlic and ginger. This goes before the tomatoes. Okay, now we add the spices. Okay, so now we add the cauliflower. Stir it. Okay, so after stirring, we add the potatoes and we stir it again. Okay, so we put the lid on for a bit. Okay, let's have a check. Give it a stir. Okay, so the cauliflower is all done. We're now going to put some coriander over it. Okay, so chapatis are ready, and that's ready too. So let's give it a try. Bismillah. Mashallah, it's cooked really good. You can see it's very moist, as well as being fried. It's moist as well at the same time. And the potatoes are cooked as well. You see potatoes. All the onions and the tomatoes are still there. They're not meshed. Thanks for watching our video. Please do subscribe. Till next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.